Okay guys, this is the requested problem na isosolve natin. So using differential equation. So this is a conical tank draining problem. The problem is water drains from an inverted right circular cone. Ito has a figure. So the cone has a height of 12 meters. So the overall height yan. And the base radius is 4 meters. Okay, base radius is itong sa baba. Kasi this is inverted. Water height is decreasing at an instant of height na 6 meters. The height is falling at a rate. Okay, this is a rate kasi height changing into time. Negative 0.5 meters per minute. Find the rate at which the volume of water is changing at that instant. So, okay, so step 1, variables and formula muna tayo. So, volume of a cone, water of height h and radius r. So, the volume is equals to 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay. We must express r, ito, in terms of h using similar triangles. So, itong r, base radius over the decreasing height of water. I-ratio natin siya sa overall na radius, yung na big radius sa top over the overall height na h. Okay, so itong r na r over h is equals to, ito yung 4 over 12. Okay, so this is equals to 1/3. So r, itong maliit na r, substitute 1/3. Okay, h, ito, substitute lang natin. So substitute into v. Okay, so v, tingnan natin para may space tayo. Okay, so v is equals, v in terms of h, is equals to 1/3 pi times r. Okay, ito yung formula. R is ito 1/3 h squared, pi r squared h. Okay, times h pa. Okay, so is equals to 1/3 pi times 1/3, 3 squared is equals to 1/9. 3 squared is 9. Okay, times h squared times h. Okay, so h is equals to, okay, multiply 1. Okay, 3 times 9 is 27, so 1/27 pi times h squared is equals to h cubed. Okay, so derivative na natin, differentiate pala, sorry. So dv is, okay, dt, ito na, 1/27 time pi times h is equals to times 3h squared dh over dt. Okay, so this is equals to 1/9. Okay, 1/9 pi h squared dh over dt. Okay, so substitute the values. Substitute, which is h is equals to 6 meters yung falling, and dh over dt, ito na, lagay na natin dito. So okay, so compute h squared is equals to 6 squared. Okay, so this is 36. Then dv over dt is equals to 1/9 pi times 36 times negative, ito na, dh over dt. Okay, dh over dt is equals to negative 0.5. Okay, so 0.5. So calculate. Okay, so 1/9 times 36 is equals to 4. So 4 multiplied by negative 0.5 is equals to negative 2. Okay, so dv over dt is equals to ito, negative 2. Negative 2 pi, okay, negative 2 pi cubic meters per minute. So yun ang rate niya. Okay, okay. So baka pinansiran mo lang sa akin to, baka assignment niyo to ha. So the volume is decreasing at 2 pi cubic meter per minute about, so multiply mo yung 2 times 3.1416. Okay, so this is about, okay, i-multiply natin. So this is negative 6.283 cubic meters per minute. Okay, so yun. Okay, so this is at that instant. So dyan siya changing at that instant. Okay, at 6.2 pi, dito na 2 pi cubic meters per minute. Okay, sana nakatulong sa assignment mo ata ito. Okay lang, basta nakatulong po. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Share my video para matulungan pa tayong iba. Thank you.